channel Be Dynamic. I hope you all are fine. Okay, very nice. So today's topic is based on phrasal verbs. Let's discuss about it.
Dear students, today I am going to discuss about phrasal verbs. Okay, what is phrasal verbs? A verb which is followed by a preposition or an adverb or both. Both means a preposition or an adverb is called a phrasal verb, or it is a compound verb. Okay, a phrasal verb is a compound verb, but it expresses a single meaning. Okay, but it expresses a single meaning, or group of words consisting of a verb is also called phrasal verbs. Dear students, listen carefully. Phrasal verbs and other multi-word verbs are an important part of the English language. Okay, or phrasal verbs are mainly used in spoken English and informal text. ओके, फ्रेजल वर्ब को हम कहाँ यूज करते हैं? स्पोकन इंग्लिश लैंग्वेजेस में और इनफॉर्मल टेक्स्ट में हम फ्रेजल वर्ब्स को यूज करते हैं. नॉट इन फॉर्मल टेक्स्ट, वी यूज द फ्रेजल वर्ब्स इन इनफॉर्मल टेक्स्ट. Then coming to phrasal verb types. Okay, see the number 1, verb followed by adverb. So let's recall what is an adverb. An adverb is a word that adds something to the meaning of a verb or an adjective. That is called an adverb. Okay, or an adverb tells how a thing is done, when it is done, and where it is done. The adverb will tell us. Clear? See the example. The boy run first. So here the boy is refers to subject, run is the main verb, and fast. Okay, fast is the adverb here. Clear? Coming to the second phrasal verb types is preposition. It means verb followed by preposition. So let's recall what is a preposition. A preposition is a word that shows the relation between a noun or pronoun and some other word in a sentence. You can see the example. She cut the apple with a knife. It means here with is shows as a preposition. Why? Because with shows the relation between the apple and knife. Okay. Coming to the third one, verb followed by adverb and preposition. It means the phrasal verb can followed by both. Both means a preposition or an adverb. Clear? So, in short, what are the phrasal verb types? Number 1 is verb followed by adverb, then verb followed by preposition, then verb followed by both. Both means adverb and preposition. So, let's discuss about phrasal verb types. Number 1, verb followed by adverb. See the examples. Put plus off equal to put off. So, here put is refers to verb and off is an adverb. So what we got a new word? Put off. So what is the meaning of put off? Put off means postpone. See the example. We should have to put off the meeting date in the next week. It means we should have to postpone the meeting date in the next week. Coming to the second one, verb followed by preposition. See the example. Put plus on equal to put on. It means what? Put here is refers to verb and on is the preposition here. So what is the meaning of put on? Put on means to wear. It means pehenna. What is the example? You should put on a new dress for the party. It means you should to wear a new dress for the party. Coming to the third one, verb followed by adverb or preposition. See the example. Put plus up plus with. So what we got here? Put off with. So here put is refers to verb. Then up क्या है? Up adverb हो गया. Then with क्या हो गया? With preposition हो गया. है कि नहीं? So what we got a new word? Put off with. So what is the meaning of this one? Put off with means to tolerate. It means सहना. See the example. If you do not like his behavior, but you should try to put up with him because he is elder than you. Okay, it means if you don't like his behavior, but you should try to tolerate him because he is elder than you. Okay. Then coming to this one, let's discuss some phrasal verbs with their meanings. Clear? Number 1, hang up. It means to end a phone call. Number 2 is hold on. It means to wait for a short time. Number 3, let someone in. It means to permit to enter. Coming to number 4, look into something. It means to investigate or to examine. Then coming to number 5, pass away. It means to die. Coming to number 6, run away. It means to leave unexpectedly or to escape. Then coming to number 7, send something back. It means to return. So these are some of the phrasal verbs. Dear students, I hope phrasal verbs and its types is clear to you in some extent. Okay, finally coming to this one, 2 new words for today's session. What are they? Number 1 is veracity. Number 2 is inadvertently. So what is the meaning of veracity? Veracity means the quality of being true or correct, or what we call it, truth. That is called veracity. Then coming to number 2, inadvertently. It means unintentionally or accidentally. What we call it, accidentally. Okay. Thanks to all. Jai Jagannath. Stay safe.